everybody. It's Dr. Fari Ahmed here.
And Dr. Amar Ahmed.
And we're both partner GPs at Wilmslow Health Tech Hub. And we're here to talk to you about actually one of our favourite products.
Absolutely.
This video is a little bit later than you planned.
Yeah. Supposed to be made a week or two ago, but I've just had a stinking cold.
Joys of seeing patients, eh?
I'm afraid so.
I hope you did a COVID test.
I did. It was negative.
Thank you.
Never had COVID. Never had COVID, apparently.
Shh. Touch wood. Okay. So he has a frog in his throat, which will accompany us throughout this, but understandable despite that.
So we're really excited about this because we've been with AccuRx Patient Triage from the very beginning. We were one of the pilot sites, and AccuRx have been coming up and down and looking at how we work face to face and incorporating changes to their systems, including the other modules as well. And this is just the latest iteration. It is a reworking of the inbox. And I've always said AccuRx Patient Triage is the Apple of patient triage solutions. Well, it is, isn't it? I mean, it just works. Everyone understands.
For an Apple fan, that's a good thing. People are Android fans.
I know
you might find it out.
But everyone knows the Apple apps are better and they're just slicker and they work better. And that's what we've got here with AccuRx Patient Triage. So shall we get on and show you the new inbox? Here's the fanfare. There you go. And let's just reveal. Are you ready, everyone? Here is the new inbox.
Ta-da.
There you have it. Oh, I think actually I prefer that one. There you go. Okay. So we'll just talk you through some of the features here. So you've got a clearer navigation pane. Everything on the left is uncluttered, easy to understand, really clear, and you've got all the important folders at hand as before. And
oh yeah, so this is where you can quickly look at each message, see who it's from, and if there's an attachment, get an idea of what it was about, which is helpful.
Yeah, that's really useful. So you don't have to go into each one as they come in to see what it's about. You can get an idea just from the inbox itself. And
oh yeah, so this is just from there you can quickly mark it as done or urgent or unread, which I think the unread one I would find quite helpful because I know I often read things and think, right, I will get back to that because that doesn't need sorting out at a second.
So people triage in different ways, don't they? And this is just giving us the tools to be able to do that the way that we want to. We can change it according to each practice. And we can color code now, which is really useful because you can, for instance, the requests are coming in and you can change all the fit note requests to a different color. Those can wait and you can do those later. So they've been listening, haven't they?
That's good. It's good.
Absolutely.
I'd be really excited to see how that would work with our RAG rating system.
Absolutely.
The Wilmslow Triage system.
We will get that running with the buttons very shortly. They have made it easy, as I said, with the tabs, but we still need the hotkeys. And this is really important as well. Look, the undelivered messages now appear in red. So, you need to keep an eye on those as well, just for safety reasons.
Yeah. This is the quick assign button. So it's up at the top so you can quickly toggle and decide who's actually going to deal with this. And I think also you can mark it done from up that side.
All little things which make a huge difference. So this makes it really easy to reassign and to add a note.
As we talked about the unread.
Absolutely, And the reply options, this is really good. This is a lot of work that's gone into this, I think. Again, more intuitive, everything at hand, at your fingertips. So the self-book options and templates are all there now on the right-hand side of the panel.
And this is helpful because all the things, the templates and flores you'd pick up, they're like conveniently on the side, so you can still see the conversation and understand what you're doing while you're sending them the right information or the invitation. And
those are the things that you can see on the inbox. But what we've noticed actually when we've been using it is it's a lot nippier. So there have, unfortunately, have been times where it's been hanging a little bit. and that's not a great thing on a Tuesday after a bank holiday or a Monday morning.
Yeah.
Actually, a lot of the time it's because of the EMIS API.
And our wonderful regular NHS Wi-Fi connection,
internet
connection.
Yeah, so we found it's nippier and it just works a lot better. So overall,
yeah, I like it. I think there's lots of things that I think would be really helpful. And I can't wait to get going with more of this.
So we'll see you next time. Hopefully, we'll be able to show you this new inbox partnered with our triage box and see how we can make triaging even faster, safer, and more efficient.
And we will also talk about the new dashboard, which I think most people now have access to, which is great because it gives you an idea of the demand, how you've been managing it historically, what's been happening. So using the Wilmslow triage system with a red, amber, green, it can allow you to accommodate periods of high demand, lower demand. It's good to have all that information.
Absolutely. We're sitting on a lot of information in our systems. We've never had any means of interrogating it, and this is a really good graphical way of mapping your demand and showing exactly what's going on with demand, and hopefully try to adjust our practice to meet it. Although, remember Ahmed's law? What's Ahmed's law?
Which Ahmed's law? I don't know how many you've invented.
This is demand in a free at the point of delivery healthcare system is
unlimited.
Absolutely, yes. So you can only do so much.
Yes.
But this is the way to go if you are going to do that so much.
So look forward to talking to you about all of those very soon.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.